Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw a delicious burger. It is super easy. Just follow me. First to draw burger, draw a oval shape for the top bun. Slightly rounded on top like this. Next draw a wavy line that goes across from one side to the other side. This is for the lettuce. Then we draw the cheese part like this. Again we draw wavy line. Very good. Again we draw this shape for the cheese. Then we draw a big oval shape for the bottom bun. Our drawing is ready. Time to add some color. Color both the top and bottom buns brown. You can use a lighter brown for the main part and a slightly darker brown for the very edge to make it stand out. Try to stay inside the lines and color in one direction to make it neat like these. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Also here, again use brown color for the bottom bun like these. Very good. Excellent. Then we use green color for the wavy line. This is the lettuce. Try to stay within the black lines. Don't cross the line. Also here, color it all in. No white spots left. Then we use yellow color for the cheese. It's okay if you go out a little bit. Just try your best. Very good. You did it very well. Also here, like these. Done. Now we draw some sesame seeds by using the black marker. Like these. And there you have it. Your delicious burger is ready. Allah Hafiz.